Hey everybody, welcome to the recorded lab series of part B for the B, I apologize, this is B7, no, B4, the weathering activity lab. Actually, it should be B3. This is B3 if I'm not mistaken. Um, this would be B3 Weathering Activity Lab. And so part B has you working with, again, vinegar and chalk. And in this case here, the vinegar is room temperature and the chalk is in two different situations. You've got it in a whole piece as well as in three pieces. And so the three pieces you can see right here, we've got the whole section of the chalk right here, and we've got the pieces section of the chalk. And so I'm going to go and set this up right here, you guys. Actually, I'll just do it like that so you can see it. And I will go and move the 50 mLs of vinegar here, 50 and 50. And I've got a timer all set. Now, both pieces of chalk were 9.5 grams. So that's 9.5 grams. I apologize. I'm going to try and see if I can find a little piece of paper to write that. The original mass, 9.5 grams is the value for both pieces of chalk here. 9.5 grams. And the instructions tells you to go and put the pieces of chalk into the vinegar. Now I'm gonna go and follow the instructions. It says for 3 minutes each, but I'm gonna go and separate the two by about a minute so that I can work with emptying and dumping them out in a sense that makes more sense, as well as giving me the time I need to do this. So I'm gonna go and get the three pieces of chalk right here. A little piece right there too is going to come with us. I'm going to put all three pieces into the container, the graduated cylinder, and start my timer and let it roll for 3 minutes. And at the 1 minute mark, I'm going to put the whole piece of chalk into the graduated cylinder. So let me get this started. 2, 3, start. And so now that's going to go for a minute. Well, it's going to go for a total of 3 minutes, but I'm going to let that ride for about a minute. And while that's occurring, I'm going to take a paper towel and get my beaker here ready with a paper towel inside so that I can go and collect the chalk chunks but let the vinegar pass through. So that's going to be over here to the side. And let's see if I can't go and push this back ever so slightly. I guess that's about as good as it's going to get. So 35 seconds. Oh, that's what I want to do. I want to go and put the camera here. Put the camera here between so you guys can see the timer. And at the 1 minute mark, I'm going to put the whole piece of chalk in. Again, 9.5 grams. And here we are. 2, 1, 0, drop. All right. So as you can see in both cases, the vinegar is acting on the chalk. The calcium bicarbonate is reacting with the acidic vinegar. One is more alkaline, the other is more acidic, and so they kind of work against each other. So there's a high level of reactivity that's occurring, and clearly we can see that there's a chemical reaction going on. There's both gas bubbles being given off, there's turbidity inside there. There's even a little bit of a smell beyond the vinegar that I can observe when I bring my nose to it. And so our goal here on this paper, as you can see here, is to record the beginning mass of the chalk. And I'm just going to go and put this in here. It was 9.5 grams. And that's for both of them, by the way. Let me go and make that just a little bit bigger there. Nice, 9.5 grams. We'll copy that and put it in this one as well. Paste. 9.5 grams. All right. Now I see I'm almost at the 3 minute mark here. I got to be mindful I don't knock the timer over here. So let me go and see if I can't figure out how to do this. There we go. All right. So 2.5 minutes. And at the 3 minute mark, I'm going to dump this graduated cylinder, which has the pieces, into this beaker here. and then I'll collect the chalk pieces. 13 seconds there. Come on, paper towel, get ready here. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 minutes. Gonna pour that in. Let that drain through. Add that onto a paper towel. I'm gonna go and place these 3 pieces of chalk. And see those 3 pieces right there. And about 30 more seconds, I need to go and switcheroo. I think I can use the same paper towel. And so 345, 350, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 58, 60, 61. Okay. All right. So my goal, ladies and gentlemen, now at this point is to take my samples, which we've got right here, and my goal is to go and let them air dry a little bit. So I'm going to give them about 5 to 10 minutes of air time to dry, and then I will go and mask them for you, and you can do a little comparison and figure out what happened. All right? All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've given these pieces of chalk a couple of moments to air dry. I even went and took the paper towel and gently rolled both of them. I'm going to go ahead and mass the whole piece and the 3 pieces and see what happens. And so I think what I'll do here is I will go and mask the whole piece first, so you can see what's happening here. The whole piece going on the scale, the balance, 8.2 for the whole piece. So 8.2 for the whole, and 1, 2, 3 for these. 7.9. So 7.9 and 8.2. 7.9, 8.2. 7.9 and 8.2. Don't forget it. 8.2. 7.9 and 8.2 grams. All right, leave that there for you guys to see. So again, that's 7.9 for the pieces and 8.2 for the whole piece. And ladies and gentlemen, you can go and take that information and put it into your paper, figure out the difference, and then figure out the percentage change. My recommendation for doing that is to basically just go and take the ending mass and then divide it by the beginning mass. That is a way to go and kind of figure that out. Let me just quickly fire up a calculator to show you what it looks like. So let's see here, the 9.5 grams. So if I did 8.2 divided by 9.5, it's a difference of 86%, so it'd be 14%. So I think what I want to do here is make a different suggestion. What I think I want you guys to do is to find the difference and then divide that by the sum. So 9.5 minus 8.2 equals a difference of 1.3. 1.3 divided by 9.5, there we go. That is a difference of 13.7%. I know this because if I multiply it by 100, that gets me my 13.7. So it is, for figuring out the percent change right over here, you guys, it is the difference divided by the beginning mass. So the difference divided by the beginning mass. And then multiply that all by 100. And that's how you figure that out. Okay, you guys, once you've got your chart filled in, make sure you answer the questions at the bottom here, and then submit it when you're totally done. If you have any questions, please do ask. Please do let me know. I thank you all so much. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.